Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.11, Problem 2. This is Section 2.11, Problem 2. It says find the difference between 3 1/2 and 2 5/16. So the word difference is telling us that we should subtract. So we could say that it is 3 1/2 minus 2 5/16. So for a problem like this, you can solve it like this. Oftentimes I prefer the vertical format of writing it. So I will write instead 3 1/2 minus 2 5/16. I feel this is a little bit easier. It'll really work either way. So now for subtraction I need a common denominator, and my denominators are 2 and 16. So I want to pick a denominator that they both divide into evenly. That's a good common denominator. And 16 will work. 16 obviously divides into 16 evenly, and 2 will divide into 16 evenly. So my common denominator will be 16. So let's figure out what the numerators need to be. The bottom fraction is the easiest, because if the denominator stays 16, the numerator can just stay what it was. It'll stay 5. But the upper fraction, I did change the denominator. It was a 2. It changed to a 16, so that must have happened when I multiplied times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So the numerator must be multiplied times the same value of 8. 1 times 8 is 8. Now that I have a common denominator, I can go ahead and subtract. If I subtract my numerators, 8 minus 5 is 3. My common denominator is 16, so I have 3/16. Don't forget about the whole numbers that we have to subtract also. 3 minus 2 is 1. So my answer is 1 3/16.